Hey, hello everyone. So I'm up here once again to speak out. And before going to the point, I would like to say that I'm not making this video for publicity. I'm not making this video for getting likes and shares and all. But yes, you guys can comment whatever you feel like after listening to me, whether if you think that I'm speaking something wrong or I said it correctly, whatever. And I'm not someone who is very famous or who is known by everyone. I'm a normal person. Yes, I have my own YouTube channel, but I don't work much, nor do I upload videos on a daily basis. So yeah, now let's get into the point. Since yesterday, as we all know, that Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, and social media is flooded with his posts. Now the fact is, you know what? Social media is flooded with his posts, but more than his post, social media is flooded with the topic depression. I mean, it's okay to post about the actor, it's okay to post about the gem hero who has committed suicide. And personally, he is one of my favorite, I swear. And it's really, a great loss for Bollywood, and it's very heartbreaking. But why? Why are we speaking about the reason of his suicide? Just ask yourself, are you actually posting about the gem hero? Are you actually posting because you are very saddened by his death news? What are you posting? Or are you posting about the reason he died? That is depression. I really don't understand why are we doing this. And more than that, we are only sharing the posts that if you are in depression, please do share. Now, see, I'm not judging anyone, I'm no one to judge people, but the fact is, first we need to understand what depression is. I'm myself no one to give a clear definition of depression, but it not only means to keep quiet because of something and not talking to people and not sharing with anyone. Depression is not only these little things. It can happen to someone due to various reasons, and this depression has many meanings related to the situations that one face. So yeah, first let's understand what depression is. And now, as we are talking about depression, so if we are talking about it, then why are we only talking about the celebrity? Why are the awareness that we are spreading only after hearing that the celebrity died due to depression? We often hear news, and even if we don't hear news or whatever, we at least know that many students died due to huge study pressures. You know what? Actually, I've penned down many of this, but there are seriously lots and lots more to say on this, so I chose to speak out. Now we know that the students commit suicide because they can't take that huge study pressure on them. So that's a depression, that's due to depression. Also, these men, the normal men, who are going to the office facing work pressure, then they have to look after their families, economic crisis, they are also going through depression. Then the women who are being tortured daily, the women who are unable to feed their children, the ignored child in the family. There are many who are going through depression, but we just don't know about this. We simply don't know. And now if we are posting like please do share, then among the persons reading your post, out of 100, at least 40 to 50% of the persons are going through this or slowly entering the stage of depression, but by reading your post they are not going to share with you. You know, nowadays what we do is we don't give time to people at all. It's just take, some of the time. I mean, it hardly takes some time to text, hi, how you doing? But we don't even do that. First, our ego plays a very big role, and then of course time issues and all. So rather than posting this, why don't we personally go and ask them that, are you okay? Because the persons going into depression, they continuously give us signals that we totally ignore. And now what are we doing? We are only talking about depression. So if we are talking about depression, let me share this. A few months back I saw a post on FB with hardly some shares, few comments, and very few likes. So it stated that a 68 years old woman, hardly 68 I guess, I'm not sure because I forgot. After all, I saw it few months back, whatever. But she was an old lady being raped by some men at Bardhaman station. Isn't this a topic, to share and post on social media? I think so, it is. Because just imagine what she has been going through when she was raped. And the saddest part is what she had been going through after being raped. Like, she was taken to the hospital, she is still alive, and now people will taunt her, obviously, that you are at this age, and then you are being raped. What happened? Because we live in a society which is very judgmental. We just don't want to know the reason. The society does not want to know the reason, but the society is always ready to judge you. Then coming to another one, I read a post again on FB that a girl was being raped thrice by her father, and her mother knew this. I mean, how much inhuman. Oh, sorry, why am I talking of people, human being inhuman? Because we have all seen, we all know how a pregnant elephant was murdered. Then comes the news of the pregnant cow. So let's not talk of people being inhuman. But then that girl, she had her elder sister, and she was unable to share because her mother said not to share it. I mean, seriously, a mother is doing this. Isn't this a way a girl can enter into depression? Isn't this a topic on which we, this generation, guys can talk? We, this generation, guys can post. But we don't do that. We just don't do that. And like, we are posting on social media that please do share and all. See, every person isn't an extrovert, okay? And then what I see, what I personally feel is, before sharing, because our society is judgmental, most of us think that if I share my problem with this person, first she will judge me, he or she will judge me, and then rather than consoling me, he or she will not give me suggestions or solutions. I'm very sorry, he or she will not give me solutions, but what they will do is they will give me suggestions. And the most important factor is our willpower. If one is going into depression, he or she will himself or herself understand into what he or she is entering. Because if Suppose I am going to depression, then obviously I will find myself being quiet. I will not talk to people much, even I will not talk to my bestie much. So I will see this change in myself, and the same thing will be seen by the persons surrounding me. So I just don't understand how can one expect that the person facing this mental health, going through this depression, will come and share up things all by themselves. Posting on social media isn't the ultimate option, and one was decided to end up life. Just imagine at what extreme point they have reached, that they neither even look back before suiciding, nor even, what I feel is, not even they know that they're going to end up their life. They just think they're going to die and they do it. That's it. And the person who have been into depression, who has overcome it and now living, if you know any of such person, then go and ask them what depression is. It's not only about staying quiet and unable to share. Depression comes in many ways. Now, for example, Pride month is going on, and most of us know that this community isn't acceptable in this judgmental society. Why? I mean, seriously, we judge people on the basis of love. We have been taught, we are still been taught that we should not judge people on the basis of racism, sex, religion, etc., etc. But what are we doing? We are judging people on the basis of love, one of the purest feeling a person, a human can have. And then if we are judging any of the person from this love is love community, then if that person thinks of the society of, or of his or family, and stops himself or herself from being into this community by sacrificing his or her love, still then we don't let that person live their ways of life, live his her own ways of life, because we keep on taunting that, oh, you, okay, so you being a boy, you love another boy. So these are the shits we do. We seriously do this and put persons into depression. Now if that boy suppose commits suicide because he cannot take this shits, he cannot tolerate this anymore, then our next aim is his partner. Yes, because if he commits suicide, then we just then we go and start blaming his partner, that for you he died, this, that, forcing another person to commit suicide. We need to think. And in this generation, I don't know, we do whatever we feel like without even thinking, and it's very, very, very true. Now see, again I'm saying, I'm no one to judge anyone, and I'm no one to put my thoughts on. These are just my personal thoughts, and I'm just so tired and irritated seeing the same post that share with me, if you are in depression, talk to people, this, that. Please do understand that depression does not have only one meaning. It has varieties of meaning, and it can come in various ways. You need to understand this. So please understand, and don't just post like share with me, nothing will happen, nothing will change. Rather go and ask individually, are you okay? If not, then you will get that signal. If a person is going to depression, he continuously gives signals that we need to understand rather than ignoring, that we basically do. So please understand, and if you think that you are getting such signals, then try to make that person speak. This is how you can help out. This is my personal thought. Now there are many other ways to help a depressed person come out from that stage. Anyways, so those who have watched my video completely. Thank you. And to those who think that I'm saying something wrong, please do comment. Yeah, you can share your views, whatever. So yeah, that's it.